Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you the proper way to start new brushes. When you open a new brush package, you will notice the brush bristles are hard. It's because the brush company uses glue to hold the brush bristles together to prevent damage in shipping. It's water-soluble glue, so if you put them in the water for about 15 to 20 minutes, it will melt. I use warm water. I noticed the warm water works better. After 10 minutes, I check my brushes. If it is soft, you can rinse them gently. If it is still hard, leave them longer. Do not force the bristles. The bristles will get damaged easily. After 10 minutes have passed, it should feel soft. Then I change the water and rinse them again in clean water. I'm taking some water out of the brush bristles and take some loose bristles out. When you do this, you want to make sure your hand doesn't have a hand cream on it. And I shape them nicely. If you can hang your brushes this way, it's better than putting them in a container. Then it's ready to play with. If anybody is interested in some online watercolor classes or workshops, check the description below. Thank you for watching this video.